Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this super glam, easy, smoky eye. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So for eyeshadows today, I'm using the MORPHE 39A palette, and I'm taking this shade here and applying that as my transition shade in the crease. So I'm applying this shade with a fluffy blending brush, and this is just going to make sure that you've got that nice seamless blend. So each time I'm going in, I'm just adding and then blending it right out. This is just to make sure that we're getting the right pigment and just making sure that it's nark and dark. What is nice and dark? So I'm next taking this shade here and I'm going to apply that with a tapered blending brush. So I'm going to focus this shade lower in the crease, and this is just going to give the eye the kind of dimension that it needs. So I'm next taking the black shade in this palette and I'm going to focus this in the outer corner and use it on a pencil brush. Then I'm taking this shade here on a tapered blending brush and I'm just going to focus that in the outer corner. So I'm going to go ahead and carve out the eyelid shape, and to do that I'm using the Maybelline Anti-Age Eraser Eye Concealer in the shade Light, and I'm using it on a Real Techniques detailer brush. So you don't have to carve out the eyelid shape if you don't want to. You can totally just skip ahead and put on the shimmer shadow if you want. I only do it just because it gives me that nice placement where to put the shimmer shadow, and it also gives it that nice clean cut effect. So I'm next dipping into this shade here and I'm going to apply that over the top of the eyelid shape that we just carved out, and I'm using it on a flat synthetic brush. So I'm going to go back in with the black shade again on the pencil brush and apply that to the outer corner. Then taking the crease brush and I'm just blending that in again. So the next product I'm going in with is by Kat Von D, and it's the tattoo liner in the shade called Trooper. So you can leave the wing just like this, but I'm going to add a little bit into the inner corner and join it on to the bottom lash line. So I'm next taking the black again and I'm going to blend that in the outer corner and also into the shimmer shadow. So I'm literally just placing this on top of the liner at the outer corner and then just kind of dabbing it up, and then just blending it back in with the crease brush. So I'm next going to add some mascara, and this is the Volume Million Lashes Excess Mascara by L'Oreal, and I'm going to apply that to the top lashes and then apply some on top. And the lashes I'm using today are from the brand called Prima Lash. So I'm next going to finish off the bottom lash line, and I'm taking the black shadow in the palette again and I'm going to focus that with a flat brush closest to the lash line and then buff it out with a pencil brush. And then just taking the same mascara and applying that to the bottom lashes. So I'm going to apply some blusher, as I've already done the bronzer and contour off camera, and I'm using the California Benefit blusher. I absolutely love the packaging of this product, it's so pretty. And when you open it up inside, it's got the beautiful like little sun kind of pressed onto the product as well. So I'm just going to buff that up towards the cheekbone. And also I meant to say as well, this product smells amazing as well. It smells just like holidays. So I'm quickly just applying some highlight to the brow bone there, and this is the Topshop highlighter, and I'm using that on a flat shadow brush. And then for highlighter today, I'm using the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette, and I'm just going to use all 4 shades. So now that the eyes and highlighters all finished, all that's left to do is my lips, and I'm using the Huda Beauty lip tint, and when you open it up inside you've got your liquid matte lipstick, lip contour and lip strobe, and I'm just going to use all 3 steps on top, and then that'll be the finished look. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please remember to like and subscribe if you're new, as I do post new videos over here every week, and it'd be really cool if you subscribed. Also, comment below any video suggestions you'd like to see from me in the next coming weeks, and I'll definitely get filming them for you. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video guys. Bye!